What's the meaning of clever? Clever. Clever.
Clever. Clever. The word clever refers to the ability to easily understand or learn things, and to effectively use this knowledge to solve problems or create something new. It is a term that typically describes someone who has a quick mind and can think on their feet. Clever individuals often possess high levels of intelligence, creativity, and resourcefulness, and are able to apply these skills in practical and innovative ways. A clever person may be adept at finding solutions to complex problems, crafting compelling arguments, and producing original works of art, writing, or other forms of expression.